everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we have the Bombay and Cedar February lifestyle box, and it is huge. So I didn't see everything that's inside, but I did pull out the piece of paper because at first I wasn't sure if there was like a box within a box. So no, just one box. So we're going to be opening up Bombay and Cedar today. I will link them down below if you're interested in subscribing. Before we get started, hi guys, welcome back, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes and I open them every single day here on our channel at 5 p.m. Eastern time. So if you love them too, I hope you consider sticking around and subscribing before you go. So the theme for February is smile, which I love that. I could use some smile. I'm not like in a bad mood today, but I just like feel like I'm getting easily bothered by things or something. I don't know. So I'm like, I should have a box. Oh my god, this thing smells really good. But here's like a little peek, but I definitely smell something lavender. So everything that comes in Bombay and Cedar is cruelty free and like ethically sourced. Or what's the other thing I'm thinking of? I don't know. But it's cruelty free, vegan, and like wellness products. And in the lifestyle boxes, they also have a beauty subscription. In their lifestyle box, they also have the option of a seasonal seasonal subscription. But in the monthly lifestyle box, you get 2 essential oils every month. So let's start with that. They make them themselves, I believe. Wow, the labeling is really cute, this one. One is Relief. It is made with peppermint and black seed. Oh, these are both roll-ons this month. And then Happy, mandarin and lemon. Aren't these really cute? Sorry, I don't have any lights on, just the natural lighting. Hopefully it's okay. Let's take a little stiff. Let's go for Happy. Definitely smells citrusy. I feel like citrus scents are always in Happy type blends, and I love it. And then Relief. What is this? It's used for soothe sore muscles. I've been waking up with sore shoulders. I don't know if it's because I've been stretching and doing like stuff or I sleep weird. Because my dreams have been crazy. This smells good. Check that. Ooh, it is cooling. I like that. Nice. It doesn't really hurt that bad right now. It's just like when I first wake up and then I stretch and it's good. But point being, that will be useful. Is this a book? I love getting books. Excuse Me, Cartoons, Complaints, and Notes to Self by Leanna Fink. So it looks like, oh, I love, this is cute. On the back it says praise for her, and it's like on Instagram. So this is all cartoon stuff. Interesting. Let's just pick a random page. Aspiring author, social media sensation, author. Is this like their thoughts of what they want to be? Oh, that's like the like order of succession. Good artist, bad artist, artist. Here, I'll show you what I'm reading. So I think this is supposed to be like a funny type thing. Excuse me, cartoons, complaints, and note to self. I write notes to myself all the time. Let's see. The rules. May not say no, may not take no for an answer. Oh, this is like kind of like a feminist thing, you know, like we're not allowed to say no, or we're not supposed to in society, but mine like won't take no for an answer, yeah. So this is definitely like sarcastic type humor, it seems like. So, always fun to get a book. I read all the time now. I say now, like I used to read all the time, and then I just kind of like stopped. I would still like read online articles and stuff, but now I'm like reading books all the time, and I love it. So this is like one of those little tote bags, I believe. Look at it. If I can, whenever I get these, I can never like put them back, like cutely and neatly. Let's see. Come on now. Am I doing that? Whoa, this is, oh my god, is that a little cute sloth? Oh, how cute. Happy little sloth. With some flowers. What does it say? Hello? Hello? This is so cute. It does make me smile. Aw, I've seen a sloth in the wild before. In Panama. Cool. This must be it. Yes, these are Lavender Sachets by Minor Thread, and the print is so cute. So you can put these like in your drawers so your clothes smell nice and good, like lavender, but they're so pretty. And I love the smell. You can also put it like under your bed. Let's see what it says. Lavender Sachet Bundle, organic lavender for closets, drawers, suitcase, and pillows. I was just petting Emmy and like I had hair all over my face. Like right after I did my makeup, I feel like it's like stuck. I love it. These are so cute. Oh, you guys, I got my new iPhone. Where is it? I see my old one nearby. And I can't, and the picture on it looks so cool. I'm gonna try and film a video on that and see if it looks better or different, etc. But I got the iPhone 13 Pro in Sierra Blue and I love it. Next up, we have a Buttermelt Hair and Body Lotion Bar by Butter and Me. Oh my god, isn't this cute packaging too? Cute, cute stuff, but interesting. Minimalist artisan self-care. It's in the scent Happy, bergamot oil, ylang ylang, and turmeric powder. Less than 10 ingredients, vegan and travel friendly. Let's see if I can get the sticker. So let's just read about it. Shaped like a cloud and created for full body indulgence, discover Buttermelt, which is made with zero plastic usage, created with just 4 core ingredients. Buttermelt is a lightweight, non-greasy, solid form moisturizer that is suitable for your body, face, and hair. It is a non-pore clogging, scalp stimulating for healthy hair growth and preventing cell degeneration. Oh, so you like warm it up in your palms. Let's see, I'm gonna get this open. I think I have scissors around. Sorry guys, I feel like I'm a little slow today. Ooh, man, I just like stabbed myself with the scissors almost. Oh, how cute is this? Less is more. A minimalist approach to artistic matters is more effective. So it's a little baggy. Oh, it is shaped like a cloud. The clouds in Florida are so beautiful, you guys. I wonder if it would, oh, this smells good. Nice. It's so cute. I love the little container it comes in. I mean, all clouds are beautiful, but like in Florida, like around the afternoon when I'm filming right now, it's just like so pretty like this, but like all over. So awesome. I will definitely use that. Let's keep going. Ooh, is this a candle? Or what is this? Oh my god, no, this is something you eat? What? Oh, the squigglies are stuck to it. Wibble. Jelly all grown up. Orange and ginger. 34 calories per pop. I taste better chilled. 100% recyclable cotton sleeve. So this is like Jello. Oh, it's kind of leaking a little bit. Jello for vegans and adults. Low in sugar, bursting with pressed juices, nothing artificial. Made from and tastes like real fruit. Interesting. I can't remember last time I ate Jello. I got that like agar powder to make like vegan gelatin, but I've never actually used it. I just have it. Now the last thing in here is huge. What is this? Put it right in the box. Ooh, yay! I love getting stuff like this. Why can't I think of that? Yeah, it's a little wet. I think it's from that. But it looks full. So cute. This comes with a vase and you have the little reeds. So something's moving around in here. Pour fragrance solution. Okay, yeah. So this is a medium size. Oh, strawberry prosecco. I feel like I've had this before in the past and I loved it. That scent, I don't know if it was a reed diffuser or a candle, but you can actually, I think that's kind of genius how they did this. You can see what it looks like and then also get the image of it on the packaging. I like reed diffusers. It contains, let's see, pure essential oil, again, strawberry prosecco, and it's made with hand-blown glass. Nice. So you just pour the liquid in, then set it wherever you want. I feel like I have had this one before, but I am not complaining. I don't have it now, and then you can reuse this, like when you're done, or put different oils in when it all is absorbed, and you like flip the reeds around. So we got that reed diffuser, this book here, the sachets, that Jello thing, this melt. Oh, I forgot them all. The sloth bag. So that's everything. Am I missing an item? There might be one item laying around. Oh, and the oils, of course. The oil roll-ons this month. So that was everything for Bombay and Cedar, the lifestyle box for February. I know I'm filming this in March, but I feel like we've been like a month behind for a while now. But this was kindly sent to me free for review, but not sponsored or anything like that. I forgot to mention that in the beginning. And I don't think I have an affiliate link, but if I do, I'll leave a link either way down below. But anyways, thanks guys for being here. Again, if you haven't yet subscribed, I hope you consider doing so before you go. And that means I will see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. I love you guys so much, and I will see you super soon. Bye.